Getting your money's worth. Understanding value for money. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring a common English phrase that's all about value. Money's worth. Whether you're out shopping or investing in education, understanding this concept can make a big difference in how you spend your money. Let's dive in and get a good grasp on what it means to really get your money's worth. Money's worth is a phrase that refers to receiving fair value for the amount of money you spend. It's the idea that you should get quality, quantity, and satisfaction commensurate with the price you've paid. When you feel like you've got your money's worth, you believe that what you bought was worth every penny. Let's look at some real-life examples. Say you go to a restaurant and order a steak. If the steak is juicy, cooked to your liking, and comes with side dishes that are just as delicious, you'd feel like you got your money's worth. But if the meal is unsatisfying or smaller than expected, you might think otherwise. When you're happy with a purchase, you might say, "I definitely got my money's worth." It's a way of expressing satisfaction with the expenditure. On the flip side, if a product or service doesn't meet your expectations, you could say, "I didn't get my money's worth." This shows dissatisfaction. To avoid disappointment, here are some tips. Research before buying. Look up reviews and compare prices. Know what you want. Have clear expectations of the product or service. Speak up. If you're not satisfied, communicate your concerns to the provider. And that's a wrap on getting your money's worth. Next time you're about to make a purchase, keep this phrase in mind to ensure you're getting the best value possible. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll always feel like you're getting exactly what you paid for. Until next time, happy spending and smart saving.